How to upload video on Google Drive and Share link. Let's get started. First up, launch your Google Drive. Now you can head towards the folder in which you want to upload the video, or also you can create a new folder. Just click on this plus icon given at the bottom right. Now you can click on the option of create folder. Once you have created the folder, open it. Now click on this plus icon again. Click on the option of upload file. Now select the option of your choice, photos and videos or browse. I'm gonna select the video from my gallery. Once you have selected the video, click on upload. If you wanna share entire folder, click on three dots given at the top right corner. Click on the option of share. But in the case you just want to share this specific video, click on three dots given at the right corner of the video, then click on the option of share. Now go ahead and type in the email address of the person to whom you want to share this video. After you type in, you can type in message over here and send it. So this way you can easily upload video on Google Drive and Share link. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.